Hey everybody, welcome back for part 3, the final part to the Red Harbinger desk upgrade. So in this video we wanted to focus a lot on working and getting stuff done because there was a lot of things that needed to be done, like wire management, getting all the tubes executed and installed and filling the loop. And we wanted to focus mainly on getting that done instead of talking about, installing tubes or doing wire management, which is a lot of stuff that most people that have built PCs that have done before. So for the most part, we did a montage and time lapse here, and we try to condense it down as much as we could because there's quite a bit of footage. So we'll wrap it up at the end of the video, so sit back and enjoy the montage. So we got the desk all set up in the house. Unfortunately, there was a lot of echo going on in the video recording that we did at the house, so we opted to do a voiceover. It was a lot easier to assemble than my prototype desk because of the fact that I was actually able to bring the desk in multiple pieces and then as you can see, put the leg stand together and then put the desk on that, which made life a lot easier. Unfortunately, I forgot one of my DisplayPort cables, so I was only able to run 2 of the 3 monitors, which in the near future I'm hoping that I'll be getting rid of the 3 monitors and going to a wide format anyway. On the one monitor it ran great. We were able to bench test some games, do some overclocks. I'll be adding a fan controller and making a few minor tweaks down the road. I'm not super happy with the fans always being full blast. I'm really pleased with the overall performance of the desk. One crazy thing that we encountered was the visuals here at the house. The UV is a lot brighter because we don't have the fluorescent lights above. Once again, I'd like to thank all the viewers for the feedback on the first video. And I'd love to give a shout out to my sponsors, ASUS Republic of Gamers, for sending me the Rampage 6 Extreme Edition X299 motherboard. Also like to give a huge shout out to Logitech G for sending me all this cool RGB gear, the G560 speakers, the Pro mechanical keyboard, and the PowerPlay mouse pad with the G903 mouse and the G933 headset. I'd also like to give a nice shout out to David from Mainframe Customs for building these awesome cables for the desk. Thanks everybody for watching. Until next time.
Scared the shit out of me. You're never gonna think that a real
I thought I saw somebody too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Damn. Those are loud speakers, man.
They are freaking loud. Jeez.